Welcome to Esteem Learning Center, the Boys College, Lokagoma, Abuja YouTube page. The quality all-round education you can trust.
This is a brand new Qur'anic program that Esteem Learning Center is introducing this year. Esteem-Q is a one-year intensive Qur'an program especially designed to cater for the needs of students and parents who wish their children to complete Qur'anic memorization before they start conventional secondary education. Who is the program for? Esteem-Q is a bridge program for students coming into JS1 or SS1. The students spend 1 year on intensive Tahfeez program, at which they will all hopefully memorize the Noble Qur'an. They can then start their respective classes. Structure of the program. There will be 3 groups: the beginners, intermediate and advanced. Students will be assessed and placed in appropriate group. Our target is that all students in the advanced class and most of those in the intermediate class will memorize the whole Qur'an by the end of the 1-year program. Beginners will have 20 hizbs or more, aside from acquiring proficiency in recitation. The program is 100% boarding and students will have access to the use of all facilities in the school and even more. Benefits. Research has shown that those who have memorized the Qur'an do better in almost all academic subjects than those who have not. Proficiency in Arabic language because the medium of instruction during the program is Arabic. Broad knowledge of Islam because there will be sessions on tafsir and fiqh. Students who have memorized Qur'an usually demonstrate stronger character, discipline, and are more focused all through their lives. Most importantly, a magnificent reward awaits them and their parents on the Day of Judgment. The Esteem-Q is scheduled to start by September 2023 Inshallah. Quran 96-1-5 Recite in the name of your Lord who created man from a clot, taught man that which he did not know. Recite, and your Lord is the most generous, who taught by the pen, taught man that which he did not know. For more information about the program, kindly call the Vice Principal Religion Affairs on 08069436647.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe for more videos.